हेलो वन छोटे से बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू ए ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो। ऑलराइट गाइस, इन दिस वीडियो हम लोग एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बातचीत करने वाली हैं, व्हिच इज यूट्यूबर्स प्रोडक्ट। तुमने आजकल देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स जो है अपना किसी ना किसी तरीके से कोई ना कोई प्रोडक्ट निकाल रहे हैं। मे बी या तो उनकी क्लोथिंग कंपनी है या ड्रिंक कंपनी है या मे बी अ हेडफोन और समथिंग लाइक दैट। अब देखो द प्रॉब्लम विद दिस ये है कि जितने भी यूट्यूबर्स ने अपनी खुद की चीजें निकालने की कोशिश करी है उसमें हमेशा हेट ही आया है। क्रिएटर्स का डाउनफॉल हुआ है, क्रिएटर्स की दोस्ती टूटी है एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म। अब देयर इज वन वीडियो दोस्तों जिसका नाम है बी ट्राइड एवरी यूट्यूबर प्रोडक्ट। तो आज के दिन हम लोग इस वीडियो के ऊपर रिएक्ट करेंगे एंड विल सी कि व्हाट ही सेज अबाउट दीस थिंग्स। ये प्रोडक्ट के बारे में क्या बोलता है, क्रिएटर्स की प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में। अब देखो देयर इज समथिंग जो मैं कुछ टाइम में लॉन्च करने वाला हूँ गाइस। ये कुछ चीजें जिसके ऊपर मैं पिछले 2 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और फाइनली कुछ टाइम में मैं इसको अनाउंस करूंगा। तो इस वीडियो से वी विल लर्न ऑल्सो, क्या पता नेक्स्ट जब इस वीडियो का पार्ट बने तो रचित भाई भी उस वीडियो के अंदर हो। बाकी सर्दियां चल रही हैं एंड दिस ईयर इज ऑलमोस्ट एट द एंड। आई होप आप सारे लोग बढ़िया हो, ठीक है। लेट्स गो। रिच रिएक्ट्स टू वी ट्राइड एवरी यूट्यूबर प्रोडक्ट।
Okay. So every week, if you notice, there's a new product launch. It's either from one of the existing brands or a new brand. Something that promises to change how you do things. But over the last year or two, these launches aren't coming from the usual tech companies or the usual companies that you know. They're coming from YouTube creators.
Yeah, I mean, what I personally think दोस्तों कि आगे जाके और भी क्रिएटर्स के प्रोडक्ट्स आएंगे। मेरे को ये नहीं पता है कि बियर वाइस साहब का क्या प्रोडक्ट है और ना ही टेक्निकल गुरुजी का। आई नो टेक बर्नर, आई नो फुकरा इंसान का और आई नो MKBHD का। ये इन तीनों लोग के मेरे को प्रोडक्ट्स पता है, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि इन दोनों लोगों ने क्या प्रोडक्ट्स निकाले हैं। एंड आउट ऑफ एवरी प्रोडक्ट आई एक्चुअली लाइक MKBHD का प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज्यादा। लाइक व्हाटएवर ही हैज डन ना, वो बहुत कूल चीज है। तुम लोग को अभी आगे पता लगेगी।
The same faces we have been watching for years now building their own products, and honestly, it's kind of cool because creators understand their audience better than anyone else.
True.
They know what people want, what works, or what's been missing. Or is it? Well, we spend a ton to get all the products from our fellow YouTube creator, but here's the question. When your name carries that much trust, does it also raise the bar for what you build? So, can creators really compete with brands, or are these products just a smarter form of marketing? Me and my team tested everything to find out which ones actually deserve the hype and which ones are just riding on it. This video is quite different from what we do and I'm really excited for this one. Let's just hope I don't lose some of my friends today. Pratik, advisor, let's...
Oh भाई, that's one of the bad part is that कि जब भी कोई क्रिएटर अपना प्रोडक्ट निकालता है उसको बस ये चाहिए कि लोग उस प्रोडक्ट की तारीफ करें, एक भी बुराई ना करें। एंड उसके चक्कर में जो एक्चुअली में अच्छे लोग होते हैं जो कि क्रिटिसिज्म दे सकते हैं वो भी नहीं देंगे, कॉज अगर आपने कुछ भी बुरा बोला तो भाई आपकी दोस्ती टूट जाएगी। तो दैट इज समथिंग अ बिग इशू व्हिच एवरीबॉडी नोज। तो आई होप दिस वीडियो में ये बंदा अच्छे से करे।
Go. Before we actually begin, this is how we're gonna roll today. So we'll review the products, and at the end of every product, we're gonna rate them as per our OG TechWiser style tier rating. So if the products are exceptionally well, we'll
good
put it
idea.
in good tier. If a product is just right there, but it has like 1 con, then it goes to the very solid tier. Whereas if the product is decent with 2 cons, then it did the job tier. And if the product has no pros, then it goes to
okay.
tier. Good for now.
Let me देखते हैं कि सबसे खराब क्या होगा।
YouTuber first. So we have MythPat. He's got 16.8 million on YouTube and he's launched his own gaming headphones, the Armor H1 gaming.
I like the color of Armor का बहुत ज्यादा, ठीक है, honestly, and Armor का marketing is really good, so I like that.
Headphones with 7.1 surround sound. It costs 3,999 and it's available on Amazon.
I think it's cheap
Inside
also.
the box, you get
it's
the
not
headphones
expensive.
In the cloth cover, some paperwork. You also get a detachable mic. Now the headphones here are wired. And you get a Type-C port, so you can use it on your phone as well as laptop. But this is mostly for desk. It's quite bulky to carry here and there. Now, if your setup doesn't have a Type-C port, there's a USB-C to A converter inside the box. Like, nice touch.
Guy,
the wire here
nice.
is braided, and there is a control panel with 2 buttons and a knob. Even the design here looks cool. On the side, it has RGB lighting with loops, and if you press the button here, the light color changes or turns off. You can switch between modes if you double press, and even if you wear them, there is a good amount of comfort as well. But here's the real question: are these actually good gaming headphones or just merch with LEDs? So starting off with
the problem is there. For example, the design of the headphones are really good. Honestly मैं सही बताऊँ तो, but quality wise में जितना मुझे लगता है कि Armor का quality थोड़ा सा down होगा, because actually में अगर तुम जाओगे the really good gaming headphones भाई वो थोड़े costly होते हैं भाई। 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 30 हजार के भी हेडफोन्स आते हैं, तो 3,000 काफी कम प्राइस है बट दे लुक रियली गुड, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आई थिंक क्वालिटी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा, बट इफ द क्वालिटी इज आल्सो गुड देन बहुत बैंगर प्रोडक्ट है भाई।
Data consumption, the R1 headphone, it lacks bass. The music sounds flat. There is a bass mode on the control panel, but it does very little to it. Now, understandably, gaming headphones are meant to be flat. So if you want this for music or casual usage, I would recommend get these Soundcore ones. They are much better. Now, the main purpose of this headphone is gaming. So we played CS:GO. The footsteps and callouts are good on the Arma headphones, but in firing scenes, regular headphones feel better. Like you don't feel the impact of the gunshot on this. Also, our new headphones got pretty dirty on the sides, or even if you look closely on the ear cups, there's dirt. Now these ear cups are removable, maybe you can replace them, but there are also dirt marks on the headphone cups, which sadly is not going off. Now even we are not sure that these marks were present when we unboxed the headphones or it happened later, but considering this is just 5 days old, it gets dirty pretty quickly. It would have been nice if there was a black color. Now generally creator products are supposed to be expensive because a company does more units, so they can manufacture and price it cheaper. So if you're a fan of MythPad, I mean get it, as there are better options like JBL Quantum headphones for 3000 rupees or Cosmic Byte. Those are louder. This is very low in volume. I'll keep it in did the job tier. It's not groundbreaking new, but as a creator's first step into real hardware, this is a good start. Now next.
नॉट बैड आई गेस, आई थिंक काफी फॉर मी, मैंने अभी तक यूज नहीं किया बट मेरे को आइडिया बहुत अच्छा लगा था आर्मर का कि एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है देन व्हाट अदर्स पीपल आर डूइंग, बट आई मीन ये बंदा ही टेक रिव्यूअर है तो ही नोज मच बेटर देन मी, तो मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता।
This new product was something that surprised
But I'm
me.
learning a lot.
I didn't even hear about
ये
it,
कौन सा
but
product है? ये
before
मेरे को
this
नहीं
video,
पता।
This is the Boat Zenith Pro and
बोट किसी क्रिएटर का थोड़े ना है।
here's the scene. This TWS is made by Boat, but the audio experience is co-tuned by Technical Guruji.
Oh, Boat X Technical Guruji. Okay.
Now design-wise, it definitely looks different from other TWS.
Looks good.
It has this rose gold color. I mean, definitely, it has to be gold. But keeping the jokes aside, even if you see the earphones, the stems here are metallic. Even the fit of the earphones is better than the others. So in design, it does stand out, but is it better than other TWS? So we did a blind test here with Team TW members. We compared the Zenith Pro with OnePlus Buds 4. So we'll play the same music for you. And you have to listen to the music on both the TWS and tell us which one's better.
हाँ कुछ बजाओ तो सही, कुछ बज नहीं रहा।
I like this one better. The voice was clearer in this one.
These are 100% better. The overall loudness and I think even the bass as well as the ANC was better in these, straight up.
and now sound.
Okay, so I really liked this one, whichever is this one. The sound quality was really good.
ऑनेस्टली मैं इसको ही चूज करूंगा cause ये जो टेक्निकल गुरुजी वाला है cause वो डिजाइन अच्छा है, like look at this design दोस्तों।
One felt better, the bass was better, the vocals were much clearer.
Okay,
Now,
3
overall,
and 2.
personally, when it comes to music, the Zenith can feel a bit inconsistent. Like the sound swings between too loud and bassy, but in movies or video playback, the audio balance is pretty solid. Now, this sounded more or less like other Boat TWS, considering it is co-tuned by even Imtiaz Ali.
Oh.
It's nothing crazy.
I mean it's not a creator product but हाँ उनके थोड़ा सा वो यूज करा गया, I get it.
Okay, for this next one,
है?
Shavik has a knack for toys, so he
Who's
was
this?
testing this quite
ये
a
किसका
lot.
प्रोडक्ट है भाई? ये वायरल होने का बहुत चांस है, बच्चे बहुत खरीद सकते हैं भाई ये चीजें।
Next creator, Crazy XYZ.
Oh, Crazy
He's got
XYZ.
25 million subscribers. Based on the experiments and all of it, this is a mega science kit.
क्वालिटी खराब है बट कुड हैव बीन मच बेटर, बट इट्स ओके। एज 14 के मतलब एज 4 के आसपास के लोग के लिए है,
Time for some crazy
बच्चों के लिए है।
Inside the box, you get the instruction manual, a mixing mat, some fun fact cards, and everything that you need to do some crazy experiments.
Now, time for some crazy experiments. First, we're gonna start with this experiment: oobleck or non-Newtonian fluids. So we have to add some cornstarch. Now, slowly we're gonna add water and mix it. I think it is completely liquid. Alright, so I tried creating the oobleck and I followed the instruction what was given in the manual, but this liquid when hit hard was supposed to be rock solid,
बट हुआ ही नहीं।
it's still liquid. I think we did something with the water proportion and the experiment failed.
बट इसका नाम मैंने सुना नहीं, लाइक क्रेजी XYZ क्रिएटर तो मेरे को पता है, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि आई वाजंट अवेयर चैट कि उन्होंने कब बनाया है कोई।
The second experiment. Fingers crossed. 2, 3 for good luck. Slowly add water. Oh god, no, not again, man. So we are gonna add water very slowly and like mix it. So the second experiment is actually successful. So the science is no matter how much water you add over here, it just keeps absorbing water and turns into this
Jelly.
slime.
Oh, okay.
Time for experiment 3. Crystal puff. 2, 3. And we also need to add half spoon of this glow in the dark powder.
Oh.
Add a bit of water and stir it. So our experiment is done, and let there be some darkness.
Oh.
Yeah, this actually works. This looks so good. Alright, so we are finally done with our experiment.
But one thing that I felt was that the instruction here for a kid.
I mean बच्चों के हिसाब से ये बहुत हार्ड है भाई समझना, the whole book.
So we are gonna put it to the
Very solid, okay, not
The
bad.
best creator is one of the OGs of tech YouTube. Like
MKBHD?
I started watching tech
I know
videos
he's talking
because
about
of him.
MKBHD.
MKBHD और Marcus.
MKBHD का ऐप जो है इस वॉलपेपर ऐप जितना आई नो, ठीक है, काफी क्रिटिसिज्म भी था, इस पेड वॉलपेपर ऐप।
Wrongly. And he's not just launched a phone or a camera gear, he's launched a wallpaper app. It's called Panels. Now Panels has a very clean and minimal, very Marquez aesthetic. You get
Okay.
high quality wallpapers, neatly sorted collections and zero ad. You can favorite, download or apply those wallpapers directly. The idea is solid. It actually pays the wallpaper artist, which is a nice touch. So we tried it for a few days. The wallpaper themselves gorgeous. You can tell real designers worked on this. But the UI feels basic. But here's the catch. The app's free version only gives you a small peek. The full res wallpapers, premium collection and weekly drop, it's locked behind a subscription. You have to pay about $1.99 per month, or if
Okay.
you want unlimited downloads, $11.99 per month, which is
I mean, I don't think it is bad because विदेश में जितने भी इस तरीके के ऐप्स होते हैं, they are actually expensive. ये इंडियन मार्केट के लिए नहीं है, बट बाहर साइड there are ऐप्स जो कि छोटी छोटी चीज के लिए बहुत पैसे लेते हैं।
roughly how much? About 1,200 rupees per month. So if you want the full gallery, you've got to pay. Okay, but here's my 2 cents on it. The app is good. It supports artists and there are people who want to pay for real art. But in 2025, AI has got ridiculously good at this stuff. A
Yes.
static wallpaper app like this feels built for a niche audience. So this one goes into did the job tier. I mean,
Okay.
no offense, but if you want to pay for a wallpaper, you can. Next up, we have drinks. Now, this is by Fukra Insan, who has 12.6 million subs. You might have watched him in Big Boss, and if you do watch Big Boss, I'm judging you. Now, this is definitely not tech. So we did a blind test for drinks. We put Focus, Red Bull, Lahori Jeera, and Apple Fizz in 4 glasses. We asked the team to taste it and tell us the worst ones.
Okay, but this experiment मतलब make sense नहीं करता, like cause सारी drinks are really different. एक यहाँ पे full energy drink है, एक electrolyte के लिए है, 2 taste के लिए है. So that's the thing.
The cough syrup.
I hope it's not Red Bull.
क्या है ये?
Which one is the best?
This is good. This
Yeah.
will be the best one.
मतलब ठीक सा था.
This one, that's Happy Fizz.
Which one is the worst?
This one.
This is the worst.
Worst. This is also not that good.
You want to try another flavor of Focus?
I need some focus in my life. Yeah, not that good.
Yeah.
Much better. Go for green, no red.
Now I've never tried Focus, but let's see. Tastes more like Rasna. Now this concept is very similar to Prime that they have in US. Same, no added sugar energy drink, and they were competing with Gatorade. So although it is actually no added sugar, but it is not that useful when you're tired or you have sweat quite a lot. But again, I just saw Food Farmer video and one video on Prime in US. So take it like a soft drink. So actually no tier for it. Now talking about
No tier for it, but why? कोई tier भी नहीं डाला, but why? Okay.
controversial products, we have AI Fiesta by Dhruv Rathi, and Dhruv Rathi needs no introduction.
I think AI Fiesta is okay. It's not a bad product. मैंने check किया बाद में.
But his product is an AI.
But it's not original. AI बहुत like the way Dhruv Rathi इसको PR करता है, that's a different thing. But overall, the product wise, ये इतना गंदा नहीं है जितना मुझे लगता है.
And AI is something we personally are very.
But it's
actively
not a
looking forward
AI.
to at TechVisor.
It's a AI
And also
rapper.
on Instagram page techvisor.ai. So now the deal here is AI Fiesta gives you access to all AI
Yes.
models in one page. So in one page you can ask a question to all AI models like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, etc., etc. And then you can choose to continue with the model that you feel has the best answer to your question.
True.
Like perfect, really good idea. So before we get to the cons, I'll tell you the pros. Like number one, the website initially had a 4 lakh token
Yes,
limit.
जो कि बहुत
And
कम
just
होते
to give you
हैं.
an idea of what is tokens, see I go here and I just type, create an itinerary from Mumbai to Delhi, blah blah blah. Very, very small question. So the token usage here is almost 25,000 for one question.
Yeah.
So with 4 lakh limit, I could just ask 16 questions like this.
एंड उसके
and
बाद
my
कुछ
token
मतलब
limit
ही
is
नहीं है
gone.
यार.
So 4
तो
lakh-
दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद AI Fiesta कि बहुत ही कम स्टार्टिंग में वो था. अभी आई थिंक इसमें सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल भी है तो उसका टोकन देखते हैं कि
Yes,
कितना
for
होगा
now. So they
टोकन.
listened to the feedback and now the token limit is increased to 30 lakh. which is
Damn.
good. And number two, there was no web search access or projects or even image generation. Now all of this is there. So feedback and feature integration is very fast and prompt. Kudos on that. But here are the cons. Number one, transparency. The token consumption is very weird. See, the website says 3 million tokens, but
Right.
suppose you switch to premium model like ChatGPT 5.1, the token usage gets 4x. So for this same question, it will cost me 80 tokens to ask. it to
80K,
premium
damn.
models. And suppose if you research on any topic, it costs 7.5 lakh tokens. Like just 4 research questions you can ask for the entire month. Too less. And by default, whenever you load the website, it resets to free models, like obviously, to save tokens. You can change that in settings, but who does that? And number two, major con. The whole point of this AI Fiesta by Dhruvrathi was to give affordable access to AI to a lot of people. There was also UPI payment and all of that. But the moment this website was launched, all AI apps from Perplexity to ChatGPT to Gemini, everything is free in India.
Yes.
So the use case of AI Fiesta is very low. Like suppose you want to use all the AI apps on one website and
आई मीन अभी द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि लाइक पीपल को नॉलेज नहीं है अबाउट द AI थिंग इतना ज्यादा इंडिया में. तो अगर उनको एक्चुअली में यूज करना है तो वो AI Fiesta से करेंगे तो वो फुल पावर में यूज ही नहीं कर पाएंगे बिकॉज ऑफ द टोकन थिंग. जबकि वो बस 3 विंडो में अलग अलग मतलब कि ये AI वाले लाइक ChatGPT हो गया, Gemini हो गया, Grok हो गया, Perplexity हो गया और व्हाटएवर द लाइक यू नो व्हिच यू आर यूजिंग, वो आप साइड में खोल लो और सबसे पूछो एंड दे ऑल आर फ्री राइट नाउ इन
don't
इंडिया.
have the money for it, then maybe you get it. But I'll put it in did the job tier. Product is good, but timing is very bad.
आई थिंक गोट इसमें सिर्फ फिजिक्स वाला होगा. फिजिक्स वाला इज द गोट
Very bad.
एंड AV हाउस
Coming
एंड
to
स्किल
the
हाउस.
next
आई सी.
YouTuber, someone who meant from making free education.
ओ फिजिक्स वाला का कुछ और है. आई थॉट लाइक जस्ट फिजिक्स वाला एज अ कंपनी बिकॉज एज अ कंपनी फिजिक्स वाला इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग.
Courses to now running one of India's biggest edtech companies. The IPO is happening.
Laptop?
Physics wala. They have now stepped into laptop.
पाई बुक आई वाज नॉट अवेयर दोस्तों.
This PiBook, budget laptop price around 13,499.
Oh, सस्ता है, बहुत
This is for
सस्ता है.
students who want an affordable laptop for studies. Now the idea
नाम बहुत
sounds
अच्छा है,
great,
Pi.
but how's the execution? Now the PiBook looks decent for the price, slim profile, matte silver finish, and surprisingly lightweight. You can carry it around easily. You get a 10.5-inch display, a full keyboard and trackpad, and basic I/O, 2 USB-A ports, headphone jack, micro SD card slot, and a proprietary charging port. So the essentials are there, nothing fancy but functional. Software-wise, the PiBook runs on Android 13 with a custom skin made
ओ एंड्रॉइड है इसके अंदर इंस्टेड ऑफ विंडोज. ओके.
by PW. It's powered by an entry-level ARM processor paired with 4GB RAM and 64GB eMMC storage. Now, Android on a laptop sounds interesting, but it's also where
Yeah, but then ये टैबलेट हो गई with a keyboard. What's the difference then?
things start to fall apart because Androids are ideally not built for a keyboard and trackpad combo. Even basic things like scrolling or gestures feel half optimized. When you
Yeah.
open YouTube on Chrome, it loads the mobile version, but then you can force it to load the desktop version. We tried using it for what it's meant for. Studying. We opened a lecture video in YouTube 1080p and kept 2 to 3 Chrome tabs open for notes. Now every time we switch tabs, the video paused. Even light multitasking felt heavy on this machine. So let's say you ignore all of that because it's cheap, right?
This is bad, is bullshit. ये पैसा बर्बाद है इसके ऊपर cause just बड़ी स्क्रीन के लिए ये ले रहे हो. ये कोई मतलब ही नहीं रहा इसका.
And it crashed. Not once, not twice, every single time. So if your goal is a budget-friendly study setup, you're honestly better off buying an Android tablet.
Yeah.
Light, or I would genuinely recommend raise your budget a little bit and get a refurbished Windows laptop. That would be really productive. Now we love physics wala goal, making education affordable and accessible. That vision.
Yes, I like that vision. True.
But the PiBook is ready. So this one is the first one to go into the you know it.
I mean, I was thinking physics वाला गोट में जाएगा, but ये क्या हो गया भाई? Hell ना यार, ये क्या हो गया? Okay,
so
the
watch.
watch.
Is the Anak watch by TechBurner. Now this watch was launched for 6,999. I got it like in the first sale. Been using it on and off. It has been a year. Now this watch has been through some controversy, and respectfully, keeping all of that aside, there were 3 changes post all of that. Number 1, the charger had some flaws in the first batch, so they send a new charger free of cost. Even I got one. Number 2, there have been additions to the watch. There are now more watch faces, and you can reject calls with SMS. Even the Play Store app is last updated on October 2025.
Okay, that's
so
new.
There is movement. Number 3, there has been a price cut on the watch. At the time of making this video, it is down to 4,800 rupees.
Oh.
So for the price now, I feel it's okay. The software is pretty optimized. I've had no issues while using the watch here. Only issue is still with sleep tracking. So I was using the Galaxy Watch 8 side by side. Now Galaxy Watches have pretty accurate reading for sleep, workout, steps, etc. For example, see this sleep.
पहले तो तेरे को समझ नहीं आता who the fuck wears slow. Like I mean, get a watch दोस्तों. मुझे समझ नहीं आता लोग को मोबाइल क्यों चाहिए अपनी वॉच पे. Get this watch guys. Get this watch. ठीक है, घड़ी खरीदो. मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि like हाथ में मोबाइल क्यों पहनना. I mean, but हाँ यार ये बहुत guess the price दोस्तों of this watch.
The Galaxy Watch shows that I've slept for 5 hours and 18 minutes, whereas on the Anak watch, it shows that I've slept for 8 hours. So accuracy is still a thing to figure out. I believe it still needs more refinements. For the price, it does the job, so the Anak goes to does the job tier. I do want to see a follow-up product of this because I want to see if you had to do it again, what would you do different?
Next up, courses are a very big product on YouTube. Now, personally speaking, in TechVisor, we believe in constant skill upgrades so the team can take any course that they want. TechVisor pay. It's like a proper fees for a professional course from an offline center, right? So where would you place it in the tier? In between.
Okay, after that the other courses are एक तरीके से courses वाला है. VR Bicep का Skill House, दूसरे का दूसरा. Makes sense. Honestly, in my opinion, I'll say कि I was expecting more, but majorly सारे are okay only. Now I'm scared दोस्तों when I'll announce कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ तो क्या opinion होगा. But yeah, you know what? You guys let me know. ठीक है ना? तुम लोग guess भी करो कि मैं क्या announce करूँगा. I'll see you in the next one. ध्यान रखना दोस्तों. Bye ना. Bye. Rachitru reacts to. Also send me videos which I react to. Okay, I'll give my opinion. Bye bye.